The chemical formula. The chemical formula of a substance is based on the composition of that substance. It indicates the type and number of atoms of each kind of elements present in that substance. For example, the chemical formula of water is written as H2O. This means that a water molecule is formed by the combination of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Similarly, the formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. This means that carbon dioxide molecule is formed by the combination of one atom of carbon and two atoms of oxygen. So, the chemical formula represents that which atoms are present in that compound and what are the proportion of the atoms. Now, how to write the chemical formula? To write the chemical formula of a substance, the chemical symbols of all the elements are written and the number of atoms of each element is written as a subscript to the right side of its symbol. For example, nitric acid contains one atom of hydrogen, one atom of nitrogen, and three atoms of oxygen. Therefore, the chemical formula of nitric acid is HNO3. Here, if number of atoms is 1, there is no need to write 1. If there is only atom is written, the symbol of any element is written, it means there is only one atom of that element. So HNO3 represents that hydrogen has one atom, nitrogen has one atom, and oxygen's three atoms are present in nitric acid. Similarly, if we see the chemical formula of glucose, it contains 6 atoms of carbon, 12 atoms of hydrogen, and 6 atoms of oxygen. So its chemical formula will be C6H12O6. Many substances are made up of positively and negatively charged particles. These charged particles are called ions. Let us learn to write the chemical formula of such substances. For this, we need to know the symbols and the charges of different ions present in a given substance. The ions are of two types, positive and negative. Positive charge ions are called cations and negative charge ions are called anions. So we have to go through the different cations and anions. Let us see the different cations and anions one by one. Cations or anions may be monoatomic or polyatomic. Monoatomic means only one atom and polyatomic means there are more than two atoms. As for example, let us see some of the cations. Sodium Na+, magnesium Mg2+, aluminium Al3+, calcium Ca2+, hydrogen H+, copper Cu2+, iron Fe2+, zinc Zn2+, ammonium iron NH4+. Now some anions. Chloride ion is Cl minus, oxide O2 minus, hydroxide OH minus, carbonate CO3 2 minus, sulfate SO4 2 minus, nitrate NO3 minus, acetate CH3 COO minus, and the phosphate ion is PO4 3 minus. These are the cations and anions that you have to memorize to write the chemical formula of the compound formed by these. So memorize these two. Okay. In the name of the chemical substance made up of positive and negative ions, generally the name of the cation is mentioned first, followed by the name of the anion. For example, chemical name of common salt is sodium chloride. Here, the name of the positive ion, that is the cation, is mentioned first, and then the name of the anion, that is chloride. So, in the chemical formula, the symbols for the positive ions is also written first, followed by the negative ions. Hence, the chemical formula of sodium chloride is written as NaCl and not as ClNa. So keep in your mind that you have to first write the positive ion followed by the negative ion. We summarize below the procedure followed for writing the chemical formula of a substance. The symbols of the positive and negative ions are written and their charges is written on the top right corner of the symbols. The common factor, if any, is removed in the charges of the two ions. Like Ca plus Ca2 plus and CO3 2 minus. Here 2 is common. So when they will be formed, their common factor, that is 2, will be removed and the formula will be CaCO3. Okay. 3. The charges of two ions are crisscrossed. These crisscrossed numbers are not written at the bottom side of the symbols of the two ions. This gives us the chemical formula of the substance. Like Ca2 plus and Cl1 minus, when they will form compound, it will be the Ca1, because Cl has 1, so it will be crisscrossed with Ca, so Ca1 and Cl2. Let us see some more example to understand that how we can write the chemical formula. Example 1. To write the formula of sodium oxide, we write the symbol for sodium and oxide ions along with their charges. Like sodium has Na plus and oxide ion has O2 minus. There is no common factor because one has 1 plus and other has 2 minus. So what we have to do? Now we have to crisscross the capacity of both. So the formula will be Na2O1, means Na2O. Clear? Similarly, example 2. If you have to write the formula of aluminum sulfate, first write the ions of both the element, like Al2 plus and it is a polyatomic ion, SO4 2 minus. So when as you can see that Al3 plus, so 3 of Al will shifted to SO4 and 2 of SO4 will shifted to Al when we will crisscross. So the formula will be Al2 SO4 whole 3. Example 3. If we have to write the chemical formula of CaCO3, Ca has 2 plus ion, CO3 has 2 minus ion. here there is a common factor 2. So the formula will be CaCO3, not Ca2CO32, because 2 is a common factor. So we can remove the common factor and the formula will be CaCO3. Try more chemical formula, okay, by your own.